So here we have the Vauxhall Zafira on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well. It's a 7-seat vehicle. You can see the rear 2 seats there. They would fold out, giving you this section as your boot, or as we have right now, we've got the 5-seat configuration. You can see how much boot space you have there. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the top, the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauge. Beneath that, the trip computer, which includes the total miles of the car. They are 82,830. And if we back out to the steering wheel next, we have cruise control, speed limiter, phone and stereo controls. Into the centre, the main screen for the car. So the buttons to operate everything on the screen are just here. You can go back to the main menu. From there, you can use this dial, as you can see, to rotate through any of the options up on here, including your satellite navigation, which has got a full colour display. Very easy system to use. You can pair your phone from here. You have your AM, FM and DAB radio, a CD player, USB input and auxiliary input, which will all be accessible if you plug devices into them. And as I say, you can use the controls here for all of that. We've got the main volume for the stereo there as well. CD player is just here. Below that, we've got our climate control. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed. You can turn your air conditioning off and on again from here. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set over on the left-hand side just here. We've got the different areas in which you can have the air rediverted once it enters the car. Loads of storage space underneath here. This drops down to reveal your USB auxiliary input and a 12-volt charging socket. We have the gear lever for your manual gearbox. We've got parking sensors you can turn on and off, traction control you can turn on and off, and 2 cup holders. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.